Mongolian chicken. Easy, healthy, and in the air fryer. You're gonna love this one. Oh, that's good. I pre-cut chicken thighs into about 1.5 inch pieces. We're just gonna spread some baking powder on this. We're just gonna get all this baking powder all over all these chicken pieces. You can see this chicken just absorbed all that baking powder really quickly. We're gonna go the healthier route on this, which means we're gonna air fry it. Now, before we get this in the air fryer, we do have to put some oil on it. Not a lot, but you need a little bit. You're not gonna get any crispiness if you don't oil your chicken. Okay, the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna air fry the chicken in batches. You don't wanna put all of it in at once because then it'll get overcrowded and it won't cook correctly. You wanna leave a little space between all the chicken. But this works for me. 12 pieces is great. Let's get it in the air fryer and let's get started. Okay, we're gonna cook this for 12 minutes at 385 degrees. Air frying it's gonna save us a lot of oil, some calories. It just makes a healthier meal. I love air frying chicken. It always comes out so good. Okay, while that's cooking in the air fryer, let's chop up some ingredients. We're gonna finely chop up garlic, ginger, and then we're gonna not finely chop up the chives. We want big pieces of chives, and we're gonna want these whole Thai chilies. Unless you love spice, you definitely wanna see these. Keep them just like this. You can break them a little bit if you want that extra spice. You can see them, you don't end up biting into one, and you live. That's just my suggestion. Perfect, all done. We're gonna get them out, put them in a bowl, and keep them on the side while we make the sauce. Perfect, now we just gotta do that a couple more times, and we'll get it all done. While those cook, let's get this sauce started. All right, let's get our pan a little bit warm. Add about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then we're just gonna add a tablespoon of hoisin. You could use oyster sauce too if you have that. I like hoisin because it's a little bit sweeter. I'm just gonna add some 0-calorie brown sugar. Just wanna stir that up and make sure it all combines nicely. Looking good. I'm actually gonna lower the heat a little bit because I don't want this to burn. It looks like it's getting pretty warm pretty quickly. All right, that's combined nicely. Now let's add our ginger and let's add our garlic. I ended up using about 1.5 tablespoons of each. I like to chop it up and save some for later so I don't have to chop it up every time. Okay, let's get that nice and mixed up. This sauce is starting to look really nice. Now we're just gonna add a few of our chilies. Like I said, don't cut these up unless you love spicy things. Leave these whole so you can pick them out, or at least you can see them so you don't end up biting into one, because they will burn your face off. The sauce actually looks really good right now, and if you were just making a dish for yourself, that'd be it. But if you're cooking for a family, this sauce just isn't enough. So we're gonna add a little bit of water and a little bit of honey, and that'll create more sauce while still keeping that thickness. As you can see, it thinned out pretty good. You're gonna let it simmer for a little while, let it thicken up, and then we're gonna be ready to add our chicken. All right, this is thickened up pretty good, and it's looking delicious. We're gonna shut the heat off. Now let's give this sauce a little try. Oh, that's perfect. That tastes so good. It's not too salty, it's not too sweet, it's just right. Let's add our chicken and get that all nice and coated and mix it all up nice. Gently stir around. Last part with this is just add some chives. Mix those up nice. All right, we're done. This smells so good. Let's get this over some rice and let's have a bite. That is really good.